when we heard about the festival down here, we thought it'd be a good opportunity to come down as a family and have this experience.
Well, my mom and dad, we found this and we thought it would be a good experience. So we got here and signed up for stuff, and I got to experience it.
The birding festival, Birding and Nature Festival, is really about getting people outdoors, enjoying the open space, and learning about our natural resources.
No matter how long you've been into it, whether you're a lifelong bird watcher or just started up, it's just that sense of wonder, the magic of birds. There are so many out there.
There's thousands of people that enjoy watching the birds, learning about the birds, and we thought that was a niche that was missing in El Paso County.
Well, we love nature and birds are part of that, and we just really enjoyed getting up close to them and taking pictures of them and learning more about their habitat and what their range is when they migrate, and just learning more about birds. It's just a lot of fun.
Each bird has its own story, and I think that connects with people. Each one of us has our own story. So just a horizon expanding experience, being aware of just how many birds there are out here, how easy they are to see and hear, and how you can learn so much about them relatively quickly. Right here at Fountain Creek, this is really one of the premier birding spots year-round. I make an effort to get here as often as I can. I think Garden of the Gods is one of the most stunning places in North America, and it's got great birds. It's a really big county. It goes from Pikes Peak all the way east to Lord knows where. It's just big. There's a lot to do out here. So I would say that whether you are from El Paso County or from somewhere far away, just try to wrap your mind around the reality that there are a lot of great birds here in El Paso County.
I think they're just excited that it's something happening in their own backyard, because a lot of people, especially birders, like to travel to festivals, and I think they're just really happy that we've got something happening in our own backyard, giving us access to some properties that it's difficult to get access to, like Brett-Gray Ranch.
What's unique about Colorado is the diversity of birds that we have here. We've got this elevation gain from here all the way up to the top of Pikes Peak, and you just don't get that in this short of a distance in very many locations. So, and the wonderful community, great place to live, but also a great place to visit.
This has the potential to grow and be sustaining for quite a long time.